Let me ask you something. Are your knees stiff when you wake up? Do stairs feel like a mountain? Have you stopped taking walks because of the pain? Well, I have good news for you. Some of the most powerful medicine for your knees isn't in a pill bottle. It's in your fridge. That's right. Certain anti-inflammatory foods can help rebuild cartilage, reduce swelling, and bring back mobility. Foods that cool the fire inside your joints and nourish them from the inside out. And today, I'll show you exactly what to eat and why these foods are a must-have if you're serious about regenerating your knees after 50. But before we go further, please hit that like button if you believe in healing naturally. Also, it really helps us and our channel reach out to more seniors. Subscribe to Stronger After 50 so you never miss a single tip that could change your health. And let me know in the comments, which joint gives you the most trouble? Now, let's open the natural pharmacy inside your kitchen. Let me tell you something I've seen countless times in my clinic. When someone walks in with chronic knee pain, they often think the only answer is pills, shots, or surgery. But what if I told you, your fork could be your most powerful medicine? Yes, what you eat daily has the power to either increase inflammation in your joints or reduce it dramatically and begin the healing process from the inside out. Let's dive into the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods that can help support knee regeneration and reduce pain naturally. 1. Fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce joint inflammation. I often tell my patients, think of omega-3s as a fire extinguisher for your knees. Eat 2 to 3 servings a week, or if you're plant-based, add chia seeds or flax seeds. 2. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These tiny fruits are antioxidant bombs. They contain anthocyanins, which block inflammatory signals in your body and may slow down cartilage breakdown. Add a handful to your morning oats or yogurt. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These are loaded with vitamin K, which supports joint tissue and bone health. Vitamin K also improves circulation, helping nutrients reach those stiff, aching joints. 4. Turmeric, the golden healer. This spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Mix it into a warm golden milk or your favorite soups. Pair it with a pinch of black pepper. It increases absorption by 2,000%. 5. Extra virgin olive oil. It contains oleocantho, which has similar effects to ibuprofen, but without the side effects. Use it as your go-to salad dressing, or drizzle it over roasted veggies. 6. Nuts and seeds, especially walnuts and almonds. These are full of healthy fats, magnesium, and antioxidants that support joint health. Just a small handful daily can make a big difference. Now, I'm not saying food alone will replace a joint, but when you combine these anti-inflammatory foods with gentle movement, hydration, and enough rest, you're giving your knees exactly what they need to heal naturally. And listen, if you're over 50, this isn't about looking younger. It's about feeling stronger and moving with confidence again. Coming up next, I'll tell you about one specific leaf that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries to help regenerate knee cartilage, and how to use it safely. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your biggest knee pain struggle. I personally read every comment. I want you to comment from where you're from, around the world. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, come on, Dr. Luke, can rubbing a leaf on my knee really make a difference? Let me tell you something most doctors won't. The knee doesn't just wear down because of age. It wears down because of ongoing inflammation, poor circulation, and lack of nutrients reaching the joint. Let me break it down. When inflammation sets into the knee joint, it creates a hostile environment. The cartilage, the smooth, cushiony material between your bones, starts to wear thin. Every step becomes a reminder that the body's natural shock absorbers are gone. But here's the kicker. When you use specific anti-inflammatory herbs topically, combined with light massage, you increase blood flow to the joint, which means more oxygen, more nutrients, and a better healing environment. One such plant, used in many traditional cultures, is comfrey, sometimes called bone knit. It contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and allantoin, which are known to reduce inflammation and support tissue repair. But here's what most people miss. You must pair external care with internal healing. That means loading your body with foods rich in omega-3s, turmeric, ginger, and vitamin C, which work from the inside out to lower systemic inflammation. And remember, your knees are circulation endpoints. If your heart's not pumping well or your veins are clogged, those healing nutrients never reach the joint. So yes, rubbing a healing leaf may help, but it works best when your entire system is optimized for repair. Coming up in the next section, I'll share with you the exact nighttime healing routine I recommend to my older patients, including the recipe for a natural knee oil blend and the powerful 3-minute ritual that could change your mornings forever. But before we move on, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more powerful natural health tips, and leave a comment below if you've ever struggled with knee pain. I read every one. Now that you understand why inflammation and poor circulation are behind most chronic knee pain, let me walk you through the exact nighttime healing routine I give to my patients over 55. The same one I've used to help thousands get out of bed without stiffness, without groaning, and without relying on painkillers. Here's what to do before bed. Step 1. Prepare the healing leaf compress. Start with a fresh comfrey leaf. This is the star of the show. If you don't have access to fresh comfrey, a high-quality comfrey salve or oil will do. Gently crush the leaf to release its healing oils. Warm it slightly, not hot, just enough to activate the compounds. Wrap the leaf in a thin cloth or gauze and set it aside. Try this routine tonight. I want to hear your results. Now, let's address the question I get almost every day. Dr. Luke, is it even possible to regrow cartilage at my age? I'm 67. My knees crack when I walk, I can't kneel anymore, and my doctor said there's nothing left in there. Let me be honest with you. Cartilage doesn't regrow easily like skin or muscle. But here's the hope. We can support and stimulate the body's ability to repair, cushion, and protect what's left. And in some cases, people do experience remarkable improvements in joint function, especially when inflammation is controlled and nutrients are supplied daily. Nutrients that matter most for cartilage health. Vitamin C, crucial for collagen production, found in bell peppers, citrus, and kiwi. Collagen plus gelatin. Natural sources include bone broth, chicken skin, or supplements. Omega-3s, from fish or flax seeds. These reduce inflammation inside the joints. Sulfur-rich foods. Garlic, onions, and cabbage help rebuild cartilage structure. Glucosamine and chondroitin, naturally found in animal joints and cartilage, or in supplements. What happens when you combine these with an anti-inflammatory routine? You reduce the friction, restore lubrication, and protect the cartilage that's still there. This is how we stop further wear and tear, and in many cases, people regain mobility, balance, and even the ability to climb stairs again. I've seen grandmothers dance again. Men who thought they needed surgery walk pain-free within weeks, and all of it started with a small daily shift in routine, just like the compress we discussed in Part 4. So, to everyone over 55 watching this, you're not broken, you're not too old. Your knees are talking to you, and now, you finally know how to listen. If this video gave you hope, do me a favor, like this video so it reaches more people in pain. Subscribe to the channel, Stronger After 50, for natural healing advice every week. Comment below if you've tried any of the tips, or if you want Dr. Luke to cover another joint in the next video, hips, shoulders, even spine. And remember, healing doesn't always require surgery. Sometimes, it just takes the right leaf, a warm hand, and the belief that your best years are still ahead.